Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you how to put applications on full screen on this laptop. First, let's open an application. I will use the File Explorer, and to put the application on a full screen I'll have to either double tap on the top bar of the application, and if I double tap again I will demaximize it. I can also click this button right here, and by clicking it again I can demaximize the application, or I can simply grab the top bar of the window and drag it to the top of the screen and just let it go. And the same way I can demaximize the application. And that's it. That's how you put Windows on full screen on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.